Hi everyone. Thank you for all your support. I know that some of you have asked on how to subscribe to my channel, so I have made a video and hopefully it will help and guide you. If you still have any questions, make sure to put a comment in the comment box below, but hopefully this will help. All right, first thing first, make sure that you have an email address because that is very critical to creating a YouTube account. Now let's go to google.com and type in YouTube. Okay, and when you do the search, you'll see the YouTube here. Click on the YouTube. Now you will see a search bar on your top right corner. Click on that and then type in our YouTube channel name, which is Love, L-U-V-D, Life. And then it will take you to our landing page. You will see that we have all our videos here. You will see the subscribe on the top, so let's click on that. Since you don't have a YouTube account, let's click on Add Account and hit on Continue. And it says because you don't have an account, like I said, you need to create a new account. So let's click on Create Account. It will give you an option, do for myself, because that's what you're doing. So click on that. And then you put in your name and your address. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to type Love thee as my first name, as Life as my last name. Then click on Next. Add your date of birth here. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to make one. I'm going to put April 15 here. Let's say 1986. And then I'm going to put my gender as female. And then click on Next. It'll now ask you to create your Gmail address. There's an option right here. You can either choose from there or you can make your own. And then you need to give, of course, your password so that you can log into your YouTube account going forward. So once you create your password, your YouTube account should be all set to go. Once you have created a YouTube account, come to the YouTube landing page. On the search bar, again, type our YouTube account name. You'll see on top there is this red subscribe. So click on that. Subscribe is grayed out. Click on bell and then click all. And then you will see now you have been subscribed to our channel, as well as sign up to get a notification. Important step on your iPhone or iPad. Go to settings and then go to notification and then go to YouTube and then click on YouTube and then allow notification. This will help to click on bell all. You are now all set to start your YouTube. So whenever you see this link like this in the Facebook, all you need to do now is click on the link and it will take you to our YouTube video. Just to open an app, you can see that on the top right corner. Once the video is played, I'll show you a few things here to do. The first thing is, if you like the video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. So you see that it went from 5 to 6 and now it's black. You can also share it. So there's a link, share. You can copy the link and share it in the Facebook. If you want, you can also click on save, and what that would do is I will help you watch the video later. We would also appreciate any comments that you have. So here at comments, you can add your comment there. So let's type here, let's say yummy, loved your recipe. Okay, so once you click on confirm, you will see that now your comment is ready for public view, and then we can see it as well. Thank you again for all your support. You can see that we already have 155 subscribers, and after this video, hopefully it will multiply by day. So thank you. God bless and stay safe, everyone.